Guys, we got a fire down here off of 208th Street. You got engine 297 rolling behind the Honda building. We're at this street right here. They're going. It's engine 97. Torrance Fire Department. It's on the other side of on the building. We got engine 97 right here working it on the fire.
One coming!
LA County helicopter was here a little while ago and saw some fire. Circled for it. And now you got engine 97 working on that fire. It is going along the embankment of the river. Sorry guys, I had to run out here real quick. There's the Honda building right there. We're on live. We're on live, guys. We're gonna hit this right down here, this corner. Let's see if we can see some more better view. You got LA County coming. We got a fire. Where's that baby coming? There she is. LA County's coming up. We're gonna do a water drop. Bear with me, guys. That's LA County right there. Thanks for watching, guys. We're on live right now in the city of Torrance. We're on 208th Street, right behind the Hawthorne building. And here she comes. Doing the drop. Beautiful. That's your LA County. You do one more drop. She's turning up. She's a beauty. Look at her. She's a beast. Oh, one more drop. Where are you guys gonna get some action from, guys? We're on live. Look at her. She is a beauty. We got water dropping, guys. That beast is gorgeous. Look at her go. One more turn, let's go. That's the one that was circling a little while ago. One more drop down. She is gorgeous. Going back over here, the action, it's almost, looks like it's almost off. He hit his target. One more on that corner side right there, we see the fire. Still brewing, but the engine 97's got a handle of it, looks like. Yeah, engine 97 might have a handle on it. It looks like they're doing a great job. This is Torrance. In a backup position, people doing pretty awesome as well. Try to bring you guys the best view. Engine 97. Back at it again. You still got some fire brewing there, guys. Right there on that corner, see it? Local Torrance Fire Department. No. That's where the fire's at, guys. Let me show you guys where we're at. This is the drainer. There's Hawthorne, I'm sorry, that's Honda. Honda's been notified also as well. If it's a little shaky, guys, I apologize, because I had to run a couple blocks down, but I don't got a tripod or anything, but bear with me, guys. We don't let those guys work. There you go, guys. There it goes. He's gonna fight it across from it. You can see a little bit of action in a bit. Don't worry, little guy. You're okay on my screen. I got a little spider, guys. He's kind of freaked out because he sees this fire. So. He's having a hard time. There it goes. There it is, guys. There it is. Whoa, 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 whoa. He needs another man down there. They need another man down there. He's falling. He's coming again, guys. Yeah, back up a little bit. There it goes right there. Here comes Brody's. Backing up a little bit. Gonna do another drop. Right above it. Look at that beast. Yeah. Woo. Ever see some stuff like this, guys? Here we go. Comes again. Here it comes, dropping. Sunday. Sorry for the shaking, guys. It's a little kind of hard. I don't have a gimbal. Gotta buy one of those. There it comes. One more time. Beautiful shot, beautiful shot. This guy was really low when he got here. We heard the helicopter when we came down here real quick on 208th Street, right almost at the dead end. And we heard that helicopter really low. That's what attracted me to come down here real quick and check it out. And now it's circling the area where the fire's at. We'll pan it right there. Fire department just cut that headwind. And they're gonna do a circle real quick right here. Beautiful shot, beautiful shot. Try to keep steady, guys, so bear with me. I'm sorry if it's blurry. The only thing I can do is use this cell phone right here real quick. We're gonna go back. It's like Torrance got a handle of it. Engine 97's got a handle of it. Great job, guys, by your Torrance Fire Department right over here. And the Honda gets to live one more day for the future. There it is. Could be a knockdown. Still got some smoke, but I got it done. I got it. Great job with engine 97 right here. Welcome to 97, Torrance Fire Department, handling this small brush fire. This fire was located off Manhattan Beach. It's going to be Place and 208th Street, where the local fire began, right behind this building, over the leasing building. And you got the Honda building over there, and that's where this fire started. And there's your local Torrance Fire Department still working on that blaze. It looks like it's not a complete knockdown. They still got some smoke going on, but a great job from the Torrance Fire Department and also the LA County helicopter air unit. Great job to both of them. We're gonna take off, guys. I believe that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up or down, whichever you like, and yeah, we're gonna leave you guys from here. So hope you guys like the video, man. We're out from Torrance, in the city of Torrance. We'll see you guys around.